Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explain how to choose who can start a room in your house on the Clubhouse app. If you manage a house on Clubhouse and want to control who has the ability to create rooms, first, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Once you are inside, look at the top right and tap on your profile icon. Next, open the house that you want to manage. On the top right, click on the three-dot menu icon. This will open additional settings for your house. Scroll down through the menu until you find Member Permissions and tap on it. Once you are in the Member Permissions section, look for the Start a Room option. Here, you have the ability to choose who can start a room within your house. You can select all members if you want everyone to be able to start a room, admins if you want only admins to start rooms, or leaders only if you want to restrict it to the leadership team. Finally, after making your selection, your settings will be updated automatically, and your house members will have the permissions you chose. This ensures you have full control over who can create conversations and manage rooms in your house.